This is Number 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Polokwane City North. Oh, brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Grootman, to be honest,
Yeah.
I'm not happy about this thing which is happening inside.
Which team are you supporting?
I'm a Sundowns member. Yeah, Sundowns and Arsenal. It is my favorite team.
Yeah.
But to be honest, those rival for PSL is not fair, especially against Sundowns.
Yeah.
I don't know, is afraid to be under suspension or what.
Yeah.
But to be honest, you can't take a decision.
Yeah.
This one is a game, it's a vote. Remember, this one for Reva is a final decision.
Yeah.
Lineman is an assistant, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's an assistant.
Yeah.
You see, so you can't take a decision after a few minutes to make an exchange. This one is a foul. How come? Remember, you don't have a VR paper, a PSL.
Yeah.
I don't know who is taking this decision.
Yeah, but what if we started tonight? We didn't know. That's why
That is why I think this thing has come from Buccaneer management and Kaizer Chiefs management. They taken it as a VR for PSL, Buccaneer and Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
To be honest, like it or not,
Yeah.
League Kia Sundowns, they're the champion.
Yeah, literally.
Or like it or not, and Lucia Sundowns, it's raw. Those people, Bakuraita, to be honest, Bakuraita lose more Sundowns. By Nyata Mara, no, Abaro Hupele, Rubulele, defending Yare, Rubulele, Polo, Wafait and Kivari, and Yonaka Ground. Because coming from the Popori, Tamarico, and a Revia to personality, spending a petrol, I understand the one in no son personality. VAR is not like a Sundown tonight. Yeah, just because Banyata wanna lose in the Sundown. Okay, it's fine. South Africa go fella. Nagi Mamba Kiri. Like Naga Mashante, Mamba, Kiri, Lucia Sundown. Get raw, like it or not. I'm happy I'm going back to Vegas for now.
Travel safe, my brother.